We back up almost a petabyte of data. We administrate 2 data centers, 2 regions actually. One is in Hong Kong in the Asia Pacific region. The other one is the Americas region where South America is included. We back up data from file servers, Exchange. We also back up thousands of Windows servers and Linux servers, as well as almost 3,000 virtual machines. For virtual machines that are more critical, we back up to the LAN-free transport mode. The others are just regular network transport mode. We have VMware in place in several data centers. When using Commvault backup for VMware, we are capable of restoring a single file instead of recovering the whole virtual machine. That saves us a lot of time. We are able to recover virtual machines even in 15 to 20 minutes, and that is for around a 100 gigabyte virtual machine. Our backup success rate is really high. We have an over 98% average. Rapid recovery really helps us serve our customers by providing them a restore the fastest way possible. We have several ways to provide that, and it all depends on the application we're serving. With Commvault, we are able to recover a lot of data. Overall, it's great, and we can guarantee that we can provide the backups the company needs.